Welcome to our Williston Force AC review. Link for the product with a 50% discount in the description below. The Williston Force AC can cool you down in just 30 seconds. This AC is portable and lightweight, so you can save lots of money over regular ACs. You can get 50% off your first order by visiting their website, which will be in the description below. 3 large corporations have held the AC industry's monopoly for the past few decades. Customers have been ripped off by the massively higher prices. Because there was no competition, the big companies could set their prices as they pleased. Until now. This $135 billion industry is being disrupted by a small startup that has almost no funding. Williston Force AC, a startup, has found a way to cool the air quickly and at a fraction of the cost. It's also portable and easy to build. The Williston Force AC arrived at the perfect time. Weather forecasts predict a very hot summer in 2022. The sale of the AC is already booming and the summer has not even begun. What exactly is a portable AC? The Williston Force AC device is simple but very smart. It's lightweight and portable and can cool down any area in less than 5 minutes. You just need to plug the cable and add water to the tank. That's it. You can even plug it into your laptop. It uses only a fraction of power as compared to traditional ACs or regular fans. This is the best thing about it. This allows you to save a lot of money on electricity during the summer heat. Williston Force AC was founded with the goal to provide a cost-effective and efficient way to keep cool. What can Williston Force AC do? All the things a regular AC can do, and more. It's easier to transport than a traditional AC and it costs less. The Williston Force AC is compact and has long battery life. This makes it a game changer. While regular AC units can be great, they do not cover all the space they are placed in. The Williston Force AC can be taken anywhere you want, even to work or on vacation. There are no installation or maintenance fees. All you need is tap water and an electrical outlet. These are the next generation air cooler units. What is the process? Williston Force AC uses a rapid cooling system. This uses water to freeze the airflow and then pumps out cold air. 1/2 normal drinking glass size, water tank with water and then press the power button. This AC is much smaller than other portable ACs. It is easy to transport. Williston Force AC uses water very efficiently. Other portable ACs that we tested made a lot of noise and can be annoying while you're sleeping. Cool mode. It's almost like a desktop fan, but it's cold chill mode. This is great for small rooms that heat up quickly. Freeze mode, to cool down large rooms super fast. In just minutes, our test showed that our space had a drastic drop in temperature. This AC is great for those who live in dry and dusty areas. It is extremely silent, which is the best thing about it. Even at the maximum setting, you can barely hear it. This feature was what made this the #1 choice in our testing. Click the link in the description to go to the official Williston Force website. What can the Williston Force AC do? There is more to it than you might imagine. You can control the level of comfort. Easy to use, it's super easy to fill the water tank and press the power button. Ultra lightweight, the lightweight and clever design makes it easy to transport. LED mood lamp, select from 7 different lighting modes. Full control. You can adjust how much cold air is pumped out. And that's not the point. Common questions and answers. Does Williston Force AC need to be installed? No. It is as easy as unpacking it and filling up the water tank. Then press the power button. Do I need to purchase batteries? No. Just like other appliances, Williston Force AC requires an electrical outlet to plug the cable that came in the box. Can I use it while I sleep? Yes. It is very quiet, so it won't disturb you. Williston Force AC still hasn't had one accident. It's very safe. What is the cost? AC units typically cost between $250 and $1,000 plus. So it is reasonable to expect the Williston Force AC at this price point. The Williston Force AC is actually only $178. This is because the founders of this company do everything possible to keep prices low. They even have a 50% discount on their website, which brings the price down to $89.99. It's a small price for summer. How can it be so affordable? Advertising is a huge expense for other brands. Guess who pays the final bill? The customer. The Williston Force AC doesn't do much advertising. It is also not sold in retail stores. They can keep their prices low because they don't have to rent large warehouses or hire tons of employees. Why is it being discounted right now? The Williston Force AC was founded in response to the pandemic. They have vowed not to let it go bankrupt for long. They believe everyone who is forced to work at home should have a comfortable and pleasant environment. Click the link in the description to get a discounted Williston Force AC. Conclusion: is it worth it? We strongly recommend that you get one as soon as possible if you are considering buying one. We are here to inform you that the Williston Force AC has a 60-day guarantee. If you aren't sure, you can always purchase one and return it later if it doesn't suit you. The Williston Force AC is priced at $89.99 with a 50% exclusive discount. How do I get a Williston Force AC reel? Order your Williston Force AC at their official website in the link below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.